Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to share you some of my experience, and I'm also going to discuss why teaching has helped me to become better in data science. So you have seen me uploading a lot of videos in YouTube, and I also spend a good amount of time in uploading videos with respect to various topics, let it be data science, machine learning, deep learning. Um, Always remember, for a professional like us, who are in IT industry, there are two things that is personally required. One is the real world experience, which is what I'm actually getting it from my company. I'm able to work into different scenarios for different domains. The other thing is that I also need to get very good on or have an in-depth knowledge on the other topics with respect to data science. And in order to be good at it, I started uploading videos in YouTube. Because, and again, thanks to you all will be definitely asking a lot of questions. Probably when I just go 2 years back, when I used to see those questions, I did not had answered at that time, so I used to explore more. Probably now, whichever questions usually come, I've seen that I'm able to answer that, I'm able to understand that. So this is the thing that has helped. The teaching has actually helped to develop my skills with respect to data science, or the technology that I'm working in currently. And the other thing that has improved me professionally is that I've become a very good storyteller. If I go 3 years to 4 years back, I was not able to explain the things that I used to do in my office to my superiors. It was very difficult to make them understand. But now, because of teaching, and teaching also involves a lot of storytelling skills, right guys? If I want to explain you some topic, right, and you're able to do it in a way that, like, you're still telling a story to a person, right? So at that time it will definitely be helpful. So I have improved my storytelling skills also. I've improved my analytics skills. I've also improved my domain knowledge in various domains. Okay, and that is the reason why, again, thanks to you all will be pinging me in LinkedIn to understand about various domains, to understand about various topics. And again, that leads me to do a lot of exploring and solve different problem statements that you're coming up with. So definitely teaching has been one of the key factor in my technical growth. And again, guys, I'm not telling that I'm perfect. No one can be perfect, but I have become better what I was 1 year or 2 years back, and that makes me feel proud. And definitely I'll be uploading a lot of videos from my college days. One more thing that I did not tell you guys, from my college days, I was a very studious guy. And I used to learn, I used to study many days before the exams. I used to study daily, right? And there were some of my friends who used to just study some days before the exam. And probably at that time they used to come to me, and they used to tell that, Krish, can you explain us this so that we can quickly cover up the syllabus. So that was the point where I actually started my teaching. And probably they also remember me right now, because some of my friends, they pinged me yesterday or day before yesterday saying that, Krish, you're doing what you liked. You're good at teaching at that time, and you're doing the same thing right now. Now your audience is quite bigger, and definitely that makes me feel prouder itself, right? I'm able to at least cater or provide my knowledge to so many people. Again, guys, I'm not that perfect. I'm growing each and every day. I'm happy about it. I'm learning each and every day. So just try this thing by yourself. Try to write, at least try to write a blog. Okay, and when you learn something and write a blog, then suppose there are a lot of questions that are coming with respect to things, right? Then you will also start thinking about those various stuffs, and then you'll be thinking that, why did I not include in that particular blog? So that basically means you need to learn more, right? You need to understand more. And again, I'm telling you, this is just not a 1 day process or 2 day process. It is a continuous learning process, right? So for me, teaching, your support, YouTube channel, I would like to thank YouTube channel to definitely, it has actually provided a wonderful platform to share knowledge to everyone. But yes, I'm improving day by day. I can see that change in me. um, you know and trust me, guys, I've also done some part-time teaching before. I've taught many people. And nowadays the situation is like, before a person is asking a question, suppose he's in front of me and I'm teaching him some topics and suddenly he asks a questions, right? I get to know that particular question before only. Okay, this because that is how experience comes up. When you're teaching continuously, initially you'll not know how to answer those questions because you'll also not be having answers. But slowly you'll start improving by yourself, and you'll be able to answer them. So yes, this was a small video, and trust me guys, teaching is one of the best way I'll say you to learn data science or any other technologies. Try it by yourself and just let me know how it comes by. And if you believe in this particular quote, please write down a comment in the comment section itself. I'll be seeing that particular comment. Yes, this was all about this particular video. I hope you like it. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.